How to add copy path to context menu in Windows 10. Typing file paths in Command Prompt or PowerShell can be frustrating. One small mistake and the command fails. That's why getting the exact path matters. In this video, we'll show you how to add copy as path to your right-click menu in Windows. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to Ninja One's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. How to add copy path to the context menu. Before we add a copy path via the Registry Editor, make sure to back up your Windows registry. A wrong change can cause system problems. Press Win+R, type Regedit, and hit Enter. Click Yes if prompted. In the Registry Editor, navigate to HKey Classes, Root, All File System Objects, Shell. If the shell folder doesn't exist, right-click All File System Objects, select New, Key, and name it Shell. Next, right-click the shell folder, choose New, Key, and name it Copy Path. Inside Copy Path, double-click Default and set the value to Copy Path. If you want to add an icon, right-click in the right panel, select New, String Value, name it Icon, and set its value to imageres.dll-5302. Next, right-click Copy Path, choose New greater than Key, and name it Command. Click the Command key, double-click Default on the right, and set the value to cmd.exe/c echo%1 pipe clip. Close the Registry Editor. Now, right-click any file or folder to see the Copy Path option. How to remove Copy Path from the context menu. To remove Copy Path via the Registry Editor, open Registry Editor, press Win+R, type Regedit, and hit Enter. Go to HKey Classes, Root, All File System Objects, Shell. Right-click the Copy Path folder and select Delete. Confirm the prompt by clicking Yes. Close the Registry Editor. After this, Copy Path will be removed instantly. What is Copy Path in the Windows context menu? The Copy Path option in Windows lets you quickly copy the full path of a file or folder to your clipboard, wrapped in quotes, which is perfect for use in command line tools. It's especially helpful for scripting, coding, or writing documentation. Instead of typing long paths by hand, you can paste them instantly and avoid mistakes. Why you should add copy as path to the context menu. Enabling the copy path option makes working with files and folders faster and more efficient. Instead of navigating through the File Explorer ribbon, you can copy a full path with just one click. Adding it to the right-click menu also saves you from having to press the Shift key each time. This feature automatically wraps paths in quotation marks, making it especially useful for scripting, documentation, or command line tasks where accuracy matters. With one click, the Copy Path feature in Windows 10 lets you quickly copy file or folder paths. It adds quotation marks automatically, making it easier for techs and admins to run scripts, use the command line, and manage multiple systems efficiently. For more information, check out our official blog post on how to add copy path linked in the description below.